This tutorial is useful if you want to extract or remove files in a RAR file, but you don't want to extract all the existing files. Previously here I used the winrar application to open RAR files. If you haven't installed it yet, please install it first. Okay, straight away, friends, open the RAR file from which we will extract one of the files. Then, right-click on the mouse on one of the files you want to extract. Then several options will appear to extract files, namely, extract to a specified folder, and extract without confirmation. To make things easier, I will choose extract without confirmation, so that the extracted file will appear in the same folder as the RAR file. Friends, just click extract without confirmation, and the file will automatically come out of RAR. How about it, friends? It's easy. That's how to extract one of the files in a RAR file. Hopefully this tutorial could be useful for all of you.